you on the New Jersey Transit, huh?
She worked in the what before?
She worked in the courts, like in her country. She worked in the court system out there. So there was a lot of questions that they were asking her that she was talking to. Go ahead, you videoing me?
Nah, nigga, we ain't.
Nigga, this nigga Bishop taking videos while I'm driving and talking and shit.
Nah, I'm just testing out the camera, see if it works correctly.
Yeah, alright, your camera don't work. Oh, by the way, I got a Galaxy Note 2 right now.
That don't mean your camera work.
Shit,
What you got?
Yeah.
2 megapixel?
You crazy, nigga? It's a 13 megapixel, nigga. I think it's 13. Or something like that. But
It might be 5 though.
Nah, it's not 5. It's definitely more than that. Yeah, how many megapixels your phone? You got the Galaxy Note 2, right? How many megapixels?
I don't know, 15, 13.
I think I fell in love, baby.
What?
Now I was telling this chick I think I fell in love.
Michael Jackson haircut.
With a Michael Jackson haircut.
Got through that shit.
Nah. I'm over here in Harlem. Yeah. Huh?
Tell me you only in Harlem. You only in Harlem because I'm with you.
Oh yeah, she did.
You about to put on the AC? Oh.
Yeah, she left at 6:30. Yep, she had to be at the airport around like 4 though. The flight was like at 6:30. Launch mom. She don't know where to Paris, man. My cousin, he off the hook, man. He booked her that flight that like 2 days before. He's like, Mom, you want to go to Paris? She's like, yeah, let's go. Bought the ticket. But shit, and he's a brain surgeon. He's an official brain surgeon now, so he can do that.
And it ain't no joke.
Ain't no joke. Yeah. Shit is about to